In today's video, I'll teach you how to recover Instagram account without email and phone number. So first of all, launch up an Instagram application. So if you're trying to recover your Instagram account but you do not know your email and phone number, what you have to do is simply tap on this option forgot password that you can see on the screen. Though you do not have the email or phone number, you'll be able to search for your account via your username. So tap on the field of email or username. Now after you do that, you'll have to enter your username over here. After that, tap on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, Instagram will find the account for you. You can see over here Instagram will send you the code. What you have to do is tap on this option, try another way that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see another way to log in. You can see over here you'll be able to find various options. If you have added other options other than your email and phone number, it will be displayed over here. You can simply tap on any of those in order to recover your account. If not, over here you might be able to find the option for need more help. Simply tap on it. Keep in mind this option might not be available for some of the devices. Right now it is not available for me, but I'll tell you what to do. Now after you do that, you'd have to follow the on-screen instructions. Instagram might as well ask for an alternative contact email. They may also request additional details about your account. They may also ask you to submit a photo ID, so you can simply submit passport, driver's license, etc. Some recovery flows ask for a selfie video verifying your face to match your profile. Also, you'll be asked to provide alternative details about your account like followers, posts, etc. This process helps Instagram confirm it's you even without email or phone access. Now, after you provide all these informations, if Instagram thinks that you're actual owner of the account, you will be able to recover the account for yourself. Simply follow through the prompts in order to do it. So that is how you recover Instagram account without email and phone number. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.